Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into the red planet with 10 fascinating facts about Mars. You know, that little red dot in our night sky has captivated humanity for millennia. The ancient Egyptians called it Horus the Red, while the Romans associated it with their god of war. But it wasn't until the telescope came along that we began to truly unlock its secrets. And what we've discovered is a world both hauntingly familiar and startlingly alien. Let's get started. Mars. It's a planet that needs no introduction. Even a casual glance skyward reveals its distinctive reddish hue. But have you ever wondered what gives Mars its iconic color? It's not just some cosmic fashion statement. That rusty red? That's iron oxide. You know, rust. It's literally rusting. Billions of years ago, Mars likely had a much thicker atmosphere and liquid water on its surface. But over time, that water interacted with the iron-rich rocks, creating iron oxide. This rust basically coated the planet, giving it the appearance we know and love today. So, the next time you see Mars shining in the night sky, remember, you're looking at a planet covered in rust. Now, let's talk volcanoes. They are some of the most awe-inspiring natural features on any planet. We've got them here on Earth, sure, but Mars? Mars has something truly extraordinary. Mars takes the cake. Meet Olympus Mons, the undisputed king of all volcanoes in our solar system. It's not just big, it's colossal. This behemoth makes Mount Everest look like a tiny hill. Imagine standing at the base of Everest and then realizing Olympus Mons is 3 times taller. Imagine a volcano so large, its base could cover the entire state of Arizona. That's Olympus Mons. Its sheer size is mind-boggling. This monster is a shield volcano, formed by lava flows over billions of years. These flows spread out in all directions, creating its massive, shield-like shape. And when I say billions, I mean it. Olympus Mons is thought to be billions of years old, possibly forming early in Mars history. It's a relic from a time long past. Why so big? Well, Mars lacks plate tectonics like Earth. This means the crust doesn't move around. On Earth, our crust moves, shifting volcanoes around. This movement limits their growth. But on Mars, Olympus Mons just sat there, erupting and growing for eons. It had all the time in the world to become a giant. It's a stark reminder of the incredible geological forces at play in our solar system. Forces that shape worlds and create wonders beyond our imagination. Mars might be known as the Red Planet, but it's not alone out there. Orbiting this rusty world are 2 tiny companions, Phobos and Deimos, the Martian moons. Now, don't picture our moon. These aren't grand, spherical objects. Phobos and Deimos are lumpy, potato-shaped bodies, likely asteroids captured by Mars' gravity long ago. Phobos, the larger moon, is getting closer to Mars over time. Eventually, in millions of years, it'll get so close that it'll be ripped apart by Mars' gravity, forming a ring around the planet. Deimos, on the other hand, is slowly spiraling away from Mars. These 2 moons might be small, but they offer a glimpse into the chaotic early solar system, a time of planetary collisions and gravitational capture. Chapter 4. Dust Devils and Global Dust Storms. You think you've seen dust storms? Mars laughs at your puny Earth storms. This planet takes dust storms to a whole new level. We're talking dust storms so large they can engulf the entire planet, lasting for months on end. These storms are driven by the sun's heat, which warms the Martian atmosphere and creates winds. And when I say winds, I mean winds strong enough to lift dust particles high into the atmosphere, shrouding the entire planet in a reddish haze. These global dust storms are a testament to the power of Martian weather and a stark reminder of the challenges of exploring this alien world. Chapter 5. Valles Marineris. The Grand Canyon's big brother. We've got canyons here on Earth, sure. They are majestic and awe-inspiring, carved by the relentless forces of nature over millions of years. The Grand Canyon. Impressive, right? Its vast expanse and intricate layers tell a story of Earth's geological history. But Mars? Mars has something that makes the Grand Canyon look like a mere ditch in comparison. Let me introduce you to Valles Marineris, a canyon system so vast, so colossal, it puts our own Grand Canyon to shame. It's a marvel of the Martian landscape. Imagine a canyon stretching across the entire continental United States. That's Valles Marineris. Its sheer size is almost incomprehensible. This gash on the Martian surface is over 4,000 kilometers long and, in some places, up to 7 kilometers deep. It's a true giant among canyons. It's a scar on the face of Mars, a testament to the incredible geological forces that shaped this planet. The formations within it are both beautiful and haunting. Scientists believe Valles Marineris formed billions of years ago as the Martian crust stretched and cracked. This process created one of the most spectacular features in our solar system. It's a reminder that even on seemingly barren worlds like Mars, incredible geological wonders await our discovery. These features tell us stories of the planet's past and hint at its mysteries. Chapter 6. A thin carbon dioxide veil. You know, we humans take breathing for granted. But on Mars, let's just say you'll want to pack a spacesuit, and a good one. The Martian atmosphere is thin, about 1% the density of Earth's. And what little atmosphere there is, it's mostly carbon dioxide. Not exactly what we humans need to survive. This thin atmosphere also means that Mars can't retain heat very well. Temperatures swing wildly, from a balmy summer day of 70 degrees Fahrenheit to a frigid minus 200 degrees Fahrenheit at night. So, while you're packing that spacesuit, don't forget your thermal underwear. Think you have it rough with winter's chill and summer's heat? On Mars, seasons are taken to a whole new level. See, Mars has seasons just like Earth, but they're twice as long. Why? Because Mars takes longer to orbit the Sun, about 687 Earth days. And because of Mars' elliptical orbit, some seasons are more extreme than others. During a Martian summer, the polar ice caps shrink and dust storms rage. Winter, on the other hand, brings frigid temperatures and the growth of the ice caps. So if you're planning a Martian vacation, pack for all extremes. Chapter 8. Water Ice, a Frozen Promise. Water, water everywhere, but not a drop to drink. Well, not exactly. On Mars, the situation is a bit more complex, but on a planet as seemingly dry and barren as Mars, even the mere promise of water is incredibly exciting and full of potential. And Mars does indeed have water, albeit in a frozen form, locked away in its icy reservoirs. At the Martian poles, there are vast ice caps made up of both water ice and carbon dioxide ice, which is also known as dry ice. These ice caps grow and shrink with the changing Martian seasons, a tantalizing hint that water, in some form, exists on this enigmatic red planet. And where there's water, there's always the potential for life, at least in some microbial form, which could be hiding in these frozen expanses. The search for liquid water on Mars continues, driven by the hope that it could unlock the secrets of this planet's mysterious past and reveal the potential for life beyond Earth. This quest is not just about finding water, it's about understanding Mars itself. Chapter 9. Gravity. A lighter side of Mars. Ever dreamed of being lighter on your feet? Well, on Mars, your dream would be a reality. See, Mars has weaker gravity than Earth. How much weaker? If you weigh 100 pounds on Earth, you'd weigh a mere 38 pounds on Mars. That's because Mars is smaller and less massive than Earth, meaning it has a weaker gravitational pull. So, while you wouldn't be able to fly, you could definitely jump higher and farther. Just imagine the basketball games. Chapter 10. Mars. A destination, not just a dream. For centuries, Mars has been a source of fascination, a red beacon in our night sky, sparking our imaginations. But it's no longer just a distant world to observe. We've sent spacecraft, orbiters, landers, and even rovers to explore this alien landscape. Missions like Viking, Pathfinder, Spirit, Opportunity, Curiosity, and Perseverance have beamed back incredible images and data, revealing the secrets of Mars's past and present. These robotic explorers are our eyes and ears on Mars, paving the way for future human exploration. And who knows, maybe one day humans will walk on Mars, leaving footprints in that red dust and making history among the stars. Outro, keep exploring. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed learning about Mars, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more space facts. See you next time.